The files you use most, one click away. Favorite anything in CloudSee Drive and pull it up the moment you need it. Start by selecting the star icon next to a file or folder.
Click the filled star icon again to remove a file or folder from your favorites. You can also click the Actions menu to access more options. And select Add to Favorites to easily find this file later. You can also select a file name to open or view more details about the file. Select the Start icon below the Preview panel to add the currently viewed file to Favorites. Or open Preview by selecting the image. And select Add to Favorites from within the file preview to mark the image for quick access. Click the Close button to exit the file preview and return to the main file view. Select Favorites in the sidebar to expand or collapse the section and view all your favorited files and folders. You can remove a favorite by clicking the trash bin icon next to its name in the sidebar. Select Remove to confirm deleting the item from Favorites. The file or folder will remain in your drive.
Make CloudSee Drive work the way you do. Star the folders and files you reach for most and put them one click away.